Hi guys, Shobit this side. So guys, this video is a continuation of my previous video in which I have shared that how we can create a Docker image and push into the container registry. In this video, I will show you how we can get the image from the container registry and create a container instances in the Microsoft Azure. Okay, so since in my previous video I've already created a registry, and inside the registry I have some repo. So these are my three images. So with the help of this demo proj image I will set up a instance. Okay, so the instance, so the very first step is we just need to figure it out, the container instances. Just need to click on that, and we have to click on container instances. So once you do that, over here you just need to select a resource group. Resource group is just a grouping for all the component which is related to this deployment. So I've already created a demo docker resource group. If you want, you can create a new one. Here you have to give a name. So I am giving a name of whatever the name you want to give, you can give, but make sure it should be in the lowercase. After that, you just need to specify that from where you want to get your images. So in my previous video I have registered my image, I have pushed my image on the Azure container registry. So I will select that. Once you select that, you will get a drop down. So here you will get the name of the registry, and in the drop down you will get all the images, right? So I'm using this demo proj. Here you can select the tag. So as of now I just have a latest, so I'm gonna select it, and here it will automatically select the Linux type based on the image. So I just need to click on review. So once everything is fine, I just need to create. Okay, so basically it will take I think 30 or 40 seconds to create and set up my container instances. So basically what it will do, it will fetch the image from the Azure container registry and set up a container. So this is a serverless container, and so we don't need to do anything as from myself. I just need to specify the image, and it automatically do everything for me, because since this is a serverless, right? So it will take some amount of time, I guess 30 or 40 seconds. Once it is done, so I'm able to access the application as per the image. Okay, so let's wait for that, and I'll show you how we can do that. In the meantime, I'm just want to share that the image which I have is just a dummy image of .NET Core Web API project. So it's just a dummy in which we have this weather forecast controller, just one controller we have. So it seems deployment succeed. Go to resources. So here you can see that this deployment has been succeed and the status is start, right? So here you can see, and here is the IP address. Okay, so for accessing my application I just need to put this, and the weather controller, weather forecast controller is there. So I just need to figure it out, what should be the weather forecast. Okay, so here you can see that my application is up and running with the help of this Docker container instances, right? So you can check the status of this Docker container here. When you go click on these containers, you will see that this is the image and the status is running, and even you can also see the logs, right? So this is the log, and these are some events: started, successfully pulled the image, something like that. Okay, so this is in this way in which so with the help of this way we can also set up our machine, or we can set up an environment and run our application. So if you have any question, concern, please put it into the comments, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.